Hamsters can look similar to the untrained eye, there are up to 24 different species of this animal. Currently, the most popular kept as pets are the Syrian or golden hamster, the Chinese hamster, the Russian hamster, or the Roborovsky hamster. Knowing the particularities of each hamster species is essential in providing the best care. In the wild, hamsters are easy prey for many predators. They remain constantly alert and are able to react quickly to any danger. Therefore, these small rodents are especially prone to stress and require a very positive environment to feel comfortable and safe. Additionally, a hamster can get stressed at home if they do not exercise, if we don't offer mental stimulation, or if the hygiene of their cage is deficient. Although the longevity of a hamster varies according to breed, the conditions of its environment, and the care provided by its caretaker, the truth is that these small rodents usually have a short life expectancy. In general, it is estimated that a hamster can live between 2 and 4 years of age, although some individuals can reach as much as 5 or 6. Animal cannibalism has been the subject of numerous investigations in many species, and even today it is not possible to affirm with total certainty the exact cause of this behaviour. In hamsters, this phenomenon arouses special curiosity and concern. It's generally believed that the mother considers the offspring weak or unable to survive. However, there are also other possible causes of this behaviour, such as the stress of feeding and breeding very large litters, nutritional deficits, the presence of males in the cage, lack of space, or the fact that a baby is born too far from the nest. It's difficult to differentiate a male hamster from a female just by looking at its appearance. However, knowing the sex of your rodent may be easier than you imagine. The main method is to observe the perianal area of the rodent, which is just below its tail. Exert a slight pressure to separate the hair from the skin. In males, this region is more protuberant than in females, thanks to the presence of the testicles. We may also observe that the distance between the anus and the genital papilla, the penis, is larger. The teeth of hamsters, as well as other rodents, never stop growing. The animal needs to wear them down constantly to maintain an optimal and symmetrical length. In the wild, hamsters would be responsible for looking for small pieces of trunk or tree branch to maintain their dentition. However, in the case of domestic hamsters, it's their caregivers who should be responsible for offering these elements to their pets. It is usually recommended we offer organic branches of fruit trees to domestic rodents. The care and feeding of a hamster is essential to their upbringing to allow them to strengthen their immune system, prevent disease, and be provided with an optimum quality of life. However, although there is commercial feed available for hamsters that facilitate the work of providing the nutrients in a balanced way, it's highly beneficial to include fresh, natural, and organic food in your pet's diet. These may include cereals, legumes, nuts, fruits, and vegetables beneficial for their health. Although it varies slightly depending on the species, the majority of domestic hamsters are nocturnal or crepuscular. This means it is not strange to observe they remain especially active at dusk, during the night, or in the early morning. Hamsters possess especially large eyes dominated by rod cells. These are photoreceptor cells responsible for vision when there is little light in the environment. You should avoid bothering them during the day when they are sleeping peacefully, and spend more time in the afternoon or early morning when the time of maximum activity occurs. Hamsters are especially curious animals, and they adore digging and sniffing around the environment in which they live. They mainly use their whiskers to detect the different elements that we introduce into their space, collecting information in the process. Also, don't forget that these rodents tend to dig burrows in the wild, which is why you should always provide tunnels and nests for their environment. Like many other rodents, hamsters are especially intelligent animals. In addition to enjoying well-developed senses such as smell and hearing important for social communication, hamsters are able to learn simple tricks and exercises. They can perform certain tasks if we use positive reinforcement as a reward for their actions. A dog clicker may even be a good tool to use during learning. Now you know these 10 facts about hamsters, you may want to share some we have missed out. If so, tell us about them in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more. See you next time.